Welcome students, 11th standard chemistry unit 14 haloalkanes and haloarenes பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கோம். லாஸ்ட் வீடியோல reactions involving aromatic benzene ring ஓட substitution reaction பார்த்திருப்போம். That is aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction பார்க்கிறோம். That is last வீடியோல halogenation and nitration பார்த்தோம். In this section we discuss the sulfonation and alkylations. Sulfonation is the C part and alkylation is the D part. So what is the sulfonation reactions? Sulfonation reactions means that is you taking a sulfuric acid H2SO4. The sulfuric acid I am taking it will produce the electrophile. That electrophile what is having here that electrophile dissolve with the water, so it form I am taking 2 moles of H2SO4. Again I am taking repeated here. So how can you write H plus SO4 HSO4 minus? So that is this H plus is attacked with the what? H3O plus HSO4 minus plus SO3 plus SO3. So how can you get this twice a time? First molecules இப்படி எடுத்துக்கிறோம். Second molecules நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம் அப்படினு பாத்தீங்கன்னா H2O and SO3 அப்படினு 2 பிரிச்சுக்கிறோம். First compound and second compound. This is an mechanism for electrophilic substitution reaction. So how can you form electrophile SO3? This SO3H will be attacked with the what? Aromatic group. So it is our electrophile. It is not a SO3H, only SO3. So we are taking that generally aromatic halogens. That aromatic halogens is our benzene ring, chlorobenzene. The chlorobenzene is react with the fuming concentrated H2SO4. H2SO4 is upon heating. Fuming na light heat பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கணும். So the reaction, this concentrated fuming HNO3 is reaction upon heating. This chlorobenzene is attacked with that electrophile is SO3. So all of you know very well this benzene ring having each carbon or each corner of the benzene ring is a CH element. So that each having hydrogen. So this SO3 is attached with the hydrogen. So we can form a 2 compound. That name of the compound is 2 compound. Here Cl, here SO3H, here one more Cl, here SO3H. So this is our 2 product. In this product, what is the name of the compound? You can listen that this is the ortho position, this is a para position. So here ortho position is ortho chloro benzene sulfonic acid or sulfonic acid, orthochlorobenzene and sulfonic acid. This is our para chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. This is very important. What is our major product of this compound is ortho is a minor product and major is the para. Major is our para product. This is very important. What is the mean by sulfonation? You taking the fuming of concentrated sulfuric acid. I can separate the 2 molecules, first molecule and second molecules. First molecule is a positive and negative, and second molecules I can separate them, water and sulfur trioxide. The sulfur trioxide is formation is called our electrophile. That electrophile is attached to the aromatic benzene ring, that is called our sulfonation reactions. Each corner having a CH bond, so that C is elaborated to hydrogen. This hydrogen is attached to SO3 group, what that is called sulfonic acid, ortho and para sulfonic acid. Next we move on alkylation reactions. Generally I am taking the reactions. Aluminum chloride react with the methyl halide. Aluminum chloride react with the methyl halide. So this methyl halide is a positive, this chlorine is a negative. The negative part will be attacked to the aluminum ion. So what you get? Aluminum ion, that is the negative. So here CH3 your positive. So these are our electrophile. It is our electrophile. So you can write the reactions of chlorobenzene. The chlorobenzene react with the methyl chloride in the presence of aluminum chloride, that is the anhydrous. Anhydrous water irukka koodadhu indha content la. Anhydrous aluminum chloride, that methyl group is attacked to, this is a positive, this is negative, this methyl group is attacked to ortho position. What is your product? ClCH3 here. Similarly for one more benzene ring, ClCH3. So now what is the name of the compound here? Orthochloro. Okay, first generally you know the name come. ஒரு benzene ring la ஒரு methyl group present ஆயிருந்தா, that is name of the compound is a toluene. Toluene. அந்த toluene la chlorine இப்ப நம்ம substituent ஆ எடுத்துக்கிறோம். This is a toluene. Toluene க்கு opposite ல neighbor next ஆ இருக்கிறதுனால இது என்ன சொல்லலாம்? Orthochloro. Orthochlorotoluene. Here parachlorotoluene. Very important compound. This is a minor because adjacent side la irukku, but in opposite side la irukra para position is our major product. Major product. Very important things. What are the electrophile is given from that reactants? In sulfonation is what is the product? SO3 is our electrophile, and Friedel-Crafts alkylation. This name of the reaction is very important. Friedel-Crafts alkylations. Alkylation anhydrous aluminum chloride is our stimulating the catalyst of the reaction. So that is react with the methyl chloride, it will form a orthochlorotoluene and parachlorotoluene. Finally we can conclude that four type of electrophilic substitution reactions paathirukom. First one, what is the first one? Halogenations. Halogenation la electrophile is our Cl plus, and nitration our electrophile is a NO2 plus, and sulfonation our electrophile is at SO3, and alkylation electrophile is at CH3 plus. இதுவே நம்ம acylation group னு சொல்லலாம். One more group, acylation. It is not our portion, but generally you can study it on a 12th standard. CH3CO plus. This is our acylation group. So very important things. Sometimes is asked in 1 marks. In alkylations, which one is act as a electrophile? Otherwise in nitration, which one is act as NO2 plus or SO3? This 4 choice கொடுத்துட்டு question கேட்கலாம். Okay, thank you for watching this video, students.